few eddies.
Yeah. Here we got a little bit of real fast moving water up ahead there.
Yeah, it's probably because of that tree that's in there.
Yeah, all those woody debris pushing the water flow on the opposite side there.
Yeah, yeah. So there's more of it, so they're on top of each other, so they're pushing for it faster. Yeah, no, I remember from the article.
That's pretty close to where the third transect is too.
You might be right, but we have to at least try.
We tried yesterday and it was too deep.
Well, we could.
It doesn't look like it's gone down much at all.
Well, we could try taking a measurement with the Jacob staff just to see how deep it is.
Well, getting out there and walking will tell.
Well, we could just. Well, you guys just cross right over here. I have to. Well, this side. Let me see if he's here.
Yeah.